Hey guys, Claire Thomas here, and today I'm partnering with TheraFlu to share how I'm inspired by the new TheraFlu Power Pods to make this beautiful DIY disinfectant. I love this so much because it's incredibly easy to make, it smells amazing, and it's also a great way to keep germs at bay during cold and flu season. During cold and flu season, I really try to keep all of my family areas disinfected. I also love the opportunity to get a little more creative with my home goods, and this is one of my favorite things to make because it's DIY, it's a great way to create something that smells beautiful, and you can make it look beautiful too. All you need is water, alcohol, witch hazel, and then honestly, whatever scent you want to add. I love the soothing scent of lavender and grapefruit, especially when I'm feeling under the weather. It's just a really great way to just feel better. So I put this all together. It's super simple. So I have my witch hazel here and a clean sanitized bottle. Next, I'm going to add about double that of alcohol. The rest, I'm going to add just plain water. And you don't want it to go all the way to the very top. Just give like maybe a ½ inch. And that's because I'm adding my essential oils. So as I mentioned before, I'm doing lavender, which smells so amazing. You want this to add a really beautiful aroma to your house as you're cleaning, but without it feeling like you perfumed everything. And now for the grapefruit. I love the scent of grapefruit so much. It's really fresh and citrusy, and it has this really lovely kind of herbaceousness as well. So I just put my lid on top and just shake it like that. And anytime you go to use this, I'd recommend giving it a good shake. And then I'm going to add some faux flowers. The great thing about doing faux is that you know it's never going to go bad in the water, and it just looks really pretty. And then just for adding some texture in here and making it look really beautiful, I'm also going to add some fresh grapefruit peel. It looks so pretty. I love kind of the peachy color of the grapefruit against the purple of the lavender. It's so nice. This already looks beautiful, but I'm going to add a really cute little handwritten tag. I feel like everyone remembers to clean their countertops, but they forget about their doorknobs and their handles. They'll sneeze, they'll get it on their hand, they'll touch the handle, and then that's how germs get spread. So if you keep your doors and handles really clean, that's a great way to keep germs from spreading. And that's it. My DIY disinfectant is finished. It looks beautiful. It smells great. I like to pair that with my TheraFlu Power Pods when I feel the symptoms of cold and flu coming on. So between those two things, I can really do sick differently.